Today we will check is the invoice overdue. So is the date for the invoice is smaller than today. And in Excel we can insert today's date using a shortcut. We can even insert proper time. But those values are static. They are hard-coded in those cells. Then they won't change even in a few minutes, even tomorrow the date will be the same. So we need more dynamic solution. We need to use proper function, and we have today and now function that returns today's date, and for the now function is a date and exact time. So we can just use one of those function, and we need to remember those functions are volatile. So anything change on the worksheet, the values from those functions will be recalculated. So I can now write here today function without an argument and now function, and in case of the now function in few minutes we will have here different time, and in case of date today function we will have different date tomorrow. So we now can check is the date from for the invoice smaller than the dates function value returned from today function. So is this value from A2 cell smaller than the value returned by today function, and we will get true and false. And when we get true value, we want to return number of days that invoice is overdue, and when we have false we want to return nothing, show nothing, so we want to return empty text string. So with logical values we want to add if function, we have our logical test, and now we want to return proper values. So the first value return if true, so if this date is smaller than today, we want to return today minus this value from this cell, and in case it's not smaller we want to return show nothing, so two double quotes empty text string, and just like that we can copy our form down, and we can see the days past the invoice date, and we see nothing, almost empty cell for the cases where the date isn't smaller than today.